Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you
How to deactivate the Facebook account.
So let's get started. Click on right top corner on 3 horizontal lines. Click on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Personal and Account Information. Click on Access and Control. Then click on Deletion and Deactivation.
So guys, you will find two options. Deactivate the account and delete the account. Choose your preference. Deactivate the account. And then continue to account deactivation. So how you deactivate your Facebook account? Thank you guys for watching this video.